Welcome viewers, hope you are having a good time. Our today's project is how to make these beautiful crochet smiley face bookmarkers. I have made these in yellow and pink color. You can choose your own color. This is very useful project and have really very easy pattern. Even beginner can do it very easily. Okay, let's start. The things you need are yellow and black color yarn and 2 pieces of safety eyes. The size is 9 mm. If you not have safety eyes, you can use black color beads instead of these safety eyes. Firstly, make a magic ring, then make 2 chains. Then make 8 half double crochet in this magic ring. Yarn over one set crochet needle and pull the yarn through this magic ring or magic circle. Here are 3 loops on our crochet needle. Then pull the yarn through all these 3 loops. This is half double crochet. We will make 8 half double crochet in this magic ring. This is 3rd half double crochet, 4th half double crochet, this one 5th half double crochet, 6 half double crochet, 7 half double crochet, and this one 8th half double crochet. After making 8 half double crochet, then tighten the middle thread. The stitches come close to each other. Then attach last stitch to the first stitch, not at the first chain, to the first base stitch with slip stitch. Here our first round has been completed. Now we'll start second round. At the start of second round, we will make firstly 2 chains. These 2 chains count as first half double crochet. Now make 1 half double crochet at the same stitch. Then make 2 half double crochet at second stitch and 2 half double crochet at third stitch. We will make 2 half double crochet at each stitch throughout this round. At the end of round 2, attach last stitch to the first stitch with slip stitch.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing.
Our second round has been completed. At the end of second round, we have 16 half double crochet. We have increased 8 half double crochet and now we have 16 half double crochet. Here we will start third round. At the start of third round, firstly make 2 chains and then make half double crochet at the same stitch. First 2 chain count as first half double crochet and here we have 2 half double crochet at this same stitch. Now make 1 half double crochet at next stitch and then make 2 half double crochet at third stitch and 1 half double crochet at fourth stitch, 2 half double crochet at fifth stitch and 1 half double crochet at sixth stitch. To follow this pattern, we will complete this round 3. At the end of this round, attach last stitch to the first stitch with slip stitch. So here we have completed our round 3. We have increased 8 stitches in round 3. So here we have 24 stitches. At the start of round 4, we will make 1 chain and then make 1 single crochet at the same stitch. Again make 1 single crochet at next stitch We will make one single crochet at each stitch throughout this round. At the end of round, we will attach last stitch to the first stitch with slip stitch.
Come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed.
So here we have complete our round 4. After attaching first stitch to the last stitch with slip stitch, cut off extra yarn, our pattern has completed here. By using this pattern, we will make one more circle. We will attach 2 circles to each other and also fill stuffing in it. This is for front side and this is for back side. At front side, we will put safety eyes and also embroidered smiley face. Here we have size of 9 mm safety eyes. We will insert these between second and third round at the gap of 3 or 4 stitches between 2 eyes. We will use studs at back side to fix them tightly. After attaching safety eyes, we will embroider the smile pattern with the help of sewing needle with black color yarn.
Come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of
Here we have complete our smile pattern. Then we will join 2 parts together. Place the wrong sides to inward direction, then turn to back side and insert the crochet into back loop and pull this stitch through this loop. Then turn to front side and make 1 chain. We will working on the back loops of 2 parts, front and back part. Insert the crochet into back loop of front part and back loop of back part. Then pull the yarn and make a slip stitch. Again insert the crochet into back loops of front and back part and again make a slip stitch. Follow this pattern and complete this round. We will work on all stitches except last few stitches. We will leave an opening to fill stuffing.
something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other
Fill the stuffing through this opening and balance it.
11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
After balancing, we will close this opening with the help of slip stitch. Insert the crochet into back loops of both parts and make a slip stitch. So here we have complete our smiley face. Cut off extra yarn and secure it. At this point we can attach a keychain ring to make a smiley face keychain, but we will make a bookmarker. So for making bookmarker, we will attach a yarn just between two eyes below the last stitch and attach a yarn and make 70 chain stitches. We will attach the yarn at these loops of slip stitches.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away.
After completing 70 chain stitches, below the end count 10 stitches. At 10th stitch we will attach a stitch marker. After attaching stitch marker, we will make one chain and make 3 half double crochet at second stitch.
With my life fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this
After making 3 half double crochet at second stitch, we will make 3 half double crochet at third stitch. Again make 3 half double crochet at fourth stitch. We will make 3 half double crochet at each stitch till to reach at the marker.
really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last.
Here we have complete our 3 half double crochet stitches at previous 10 stitches. Now from here we will make 1 single crochet at each stitch till to reach at the end.
Chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure.
To reach at the end, we will attach it to second loop with slip stitch. Then get off extra yarn and secure it. Here we have complete our smiley face bookmarker. It's look too cute. Hope you like it. Viewers, if you like my video, then please like, subscribe and share to your friends and family, and give your feedback in comment section below. It's too precious for me. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.